Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to change Yahoo Mail back to the classic view. When you're inside your Yahoo Mail inbox, look across the top of the page. Sometimes you'll see a message that says, Revert to Classic View. If you see that message, simply click on it and Yahoo will switch your inbox to the older layout. If you don't see that message, don't worry. There's still another way to switch. Go to the top right corner and click on the small gear icon. That's your settings menu. From there, click on the option that says More Settings. A new menu will appear on the left side of the screen. Scroll all the way down until you see the option Switch to Basic Mail. Click on that. Now a page will show up asking for some optional feedback. You don't need to fill it out unless you want to. Just scroll down and click the button that says Switch to Basic Mail. That's all you have to do. Your Yahoo inbox will now look like the classic version. If you ever want to go back to the standard version, you'll see that option in the top right corner of the screen. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.